In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com. If you've ever wondered whether you can use PayPal to secure a hotel or apartment on Booking.com, the short answer is yes, sometimes. PayPal isn't available for every property or every rate, and what you see can vary by country, currency, and the hotel's own payment rules. I'll walk you through how to find out quickly and complete your booking smoothly when PayPal is offered. First, pick a place to stay and move forward as if you're going to book it. Not every hotel accepts PayPal, because each property sets its own payment policies. PayPal is most commonly available on Pay Now or online prepayment options, where the charge happens during booking rather than at check-in. If you notice language like prepayment, pay in advance, or online payment, that's a good sign. Availability can also depend on your location and the property's region, so the same hotel may show different options to different travelers. Don't worry about figuring this out up front. Simply choose your room and proceed to the payment page. That page is where you'll see, definitively, whether PayPal is supported for your specific selection. Once you reach the payment step, look at the list of accepted methods. If PayPal is offered, select it to continue. You'll be redirected to PayPal's Secure Checkout, where you can log in, review the amount and currency, confirm your funding source, and approve the payment. Take a moment to double-check the billing details match what you expect, especially if you're paying in a different currency. After you confirm, you'll be sent back to Booking.com automatically, and your reservation will be finalized. Keep an eye out for the on-screen confirmation and the email that follows. Those are your proof that everything went through. If you're using any PayPal balance, cashback, or linked card, PayPal will show it during approval so you can confirm the right sources used. If you don't see PayPal listed, that simply means the property or the specific room rate you chose doesn't support it for this booking. In that case, you'll need to use another accepted method, like a credit or debit card, or try a different room type or rate that offers online prepayment. That's all there is to it. Choose your stay, check the payment page for PayPal, and, if available, approve securely through your PayPal account to complete the booking.